Right. Congratulations. A very quick one. How to install your scanner on your trading view, haven't purchased it. So follow this step. It's very simple and quickly you can do that. So number one, you have logged into your trading view and so that should be done. And then this is my trading view and you have applied. First of all, this is for people who are using desktop. Now, first of all, you click on indicator. Now, if your own is not congested like mine, it's going to write indicator. If yours is congested like mine, anything you are looking for, place your cursor on it, and then it will tell you the name. See, indicator, metrics, and strategy. So you click on it. Now, once you click on it, that's the first thing you do. As you click on that, you wait for it. So it pop up, show favorite, shows all of this. So you go to invite only. When you go to invite only, if you have not had any invited only scanner, you are going to just see the two available there. First, you see PBX, X and R zones, and then you see PBS sniper calls. So you want to add them one after the other. Unlike mine, you can see them here. So yours, don't click on the provider's name. Now, so what are you clicking on? You are clicking on the scanner itself, PBX, S, and R zones. So you click. So you wait, your network will be congested. So allow it to load and you will see the scanner appear on your screen. So if it has not appeared, wait because you could have a bad network. Look at mine now, it has appeared. That's number one. Number two, still there, then you locate the second one, PBS sniper calls. Just click once and wait. Sometimes you look, observe properly, you see that it is loading, right? So we're waiting. All right, now it has appeared. Very simple. So you have load your scanner. This is how the simplest way. If you want to go advanced in terms of like to see the market structure level and all of that, this is not how to use. This is how to just install. Then you want to go to your PBS S and R zones and click on the settings. And why do I want to click on the settings? Am I changing anything? No, you're not changing anything. I just want you to see. So you scroll down to where you have show pivot point. It's going to show you market structure. So you just click on show pivot point. All right. That's all. That's all what you probably want to add for you to be seeing the structure because I may talk about the structure over time. Now, if you're the type that like moving average, you want to just select the 50 moving average, but I don't use it. All right. So, but some of us who like moving average to show you that, okay, this market is an uptrend or a downtrend. So you can see how the moving average, this is moving average shows you that the market is an uptrend. So I don't need it. So I'm going to pick it off. So if you need it, I don't like my chart to be too dirty. So congratulations, your account has been activated. So this is how you add your scanner. Very simple, right? Thank you very much. So the next thing you are going to watch is how to use the scanner for trading. How to use the scanner for trading. Thank you very much and congratulations for purchasing this.